Hello guys, this is how to fix the Microsoft Store when it is no longer downloading any more apps. So without wasting any more time, let us jump straight into the video. So what we're gonna go ahead and do first, we're gonna go into our search menu, then we're gonna type in settings. Go ahead and open up our settings. Then we're gonna look for apps. Go ahead and click on apps. Then we're gonna click on installed apps. In the search bar right at the top, we're gonna search for Microsoft Store. Let's type that in, Microsoft Store. And then once you've typed that in, it should pop up. If it doesn't pop up, then you can click on the system right there and click on the three dots right next to Microsoft Store. Then go over to Advanced, and then go ahead and go into the Reset section. And you're gonna go ahead and click on Repair. So you read all that information there, then click on Repair. Let's give it a moment. And then once that is done, if that option doesn't work for you, you can go ahead and reset. So make sure that you understand everything that's written there. Then click on the reset button. And then you're gonna go ahead and right click on the taskbar to open up the task manager. And then once you get to your task manager, you're gonna go ahead and click on run new task. Then you're gonna go ahead and click on browse right there. Then you're gonna click on this PC. We're gonna open up the C drive. Then we're gonna open up the Windows folder. And once we get to the Windows folder, we are looking for the System 23 folder. We're gonna go ahead and open that. And once we get to that folder, we are now looking for the CMD folder. I don't seem to have the CMD folder anywhere in my System 23. So what I'm going to go ahead and do is I'm going to go ahead and search for it in the search bar. So type in CMD. It's that one right there. So go ahead and click on that. And then you're going to check the box and continue. So once you've checked the box, you're going to go ahead and click OK. And then that prompt should open up. What you're going to go ahead and do, you're going to go ahead and type in SFC space / scan now. And then go ahead and click OK. So once that entire program finishes running, um, that prompt, that set of instructions, once that is done, you can go ahead and restart your computer. And you will do that by going over to your start. and then clicking on the power icon, and then clicking on restart. So I hope all the information in this video has been helpful, and thank you again for watching.